We made it, baby. We're on the boat. Let's go! Crazy, dog. To everybody who said we wouldn't be shit, look at us. We got money now.
Let them know. Let them know. Let them know. Hey, let them know. We on the boat? Okay. We outside?
Yeah.
See the view? I'm the view. Yes, sir.
Beautiful chocolate man. Beautiful. Oh my God.
Let's go!
I'm never using this hat again. No.
Let's go! Shout out to my boy Rocco, the absolute best captain anybody could ever ask for. We're getting it done. Say hello to the people, Rocco.
What's up, everybody?
The best captain are on this place, man. If you guys are ever in South Florida, hit up my boy. He's the absolute best. We're over here on the dock, and I gotta tell you, this place is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. How we feeling so far, boys?
Bruh.
And girl? How we feeling? How we feeling?
Boys are valid.
Yeah.
I don't know about her.
I'm good.
Yeah, you good?
She just failed a mission.
You failed? We didn't get no bad.
There's nobody.
Not even a single hesitation.
I found my wife though. I don't know much. She's from Lebanon. She's foreign. Yeah. Exactly. She's on the phone right now. I'm gonna show. Oh, look at all this fish. Yeah.
What do you mean?
Beautiful.
You guys start moving.
All right, guys. I'm here with my future wife, Samantha. We picked her up.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, we're taking her to her family. It's my first time meeting her parents, so it's gonna be great. I'm a little nervous, but I think they're really gonna like me.
Yeah, he's
They're
a
really
good
gonna.
guy.
I am.
He's a good guy.
Thank you. I'm gonna treat her right. And you're gonna come back to Texas with me, right?
I don't know about that.
You know,
but-
well, we're taking baby steps. But we'll get there.
So we're on an adventure right now.
We are.
We're on an adventure.
Yeah.
I just left work. That's why I look like this.
She's working hard so she can make me a sale husband.
Okay.
All right, my wife has to go. Unfortunately, you're leaving me. Oh my goodness. Let me show you guys what boat she's on. Is this it right here? That's it. Wait, hold on. Why are they coming down? Hey, boys, it's time to work. It's time to go to work, boys. What? Us, the marina? Us?
Oh, they want you to take them to the marina, boy.
Oh, wait, can I stay with y'all though?
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
Hello. Yeah, of course.
Oh, say less. Transferring the package, all right? We are transferring the package.
This is crazy.
Precious cargo.
I love you too, wife. You were great.
Bro, you're the go. I see you, my slime. Bro, you're him. Himmy Neutron. Himmy John. He's him.
Nah,
he's actually him.
Can I get a bucket of your sweat?
What did we get?
Every day.
What did we get?
When he got some bottles. When he can, he can capitalize.
Yes, sir.
We don't care.
Let me tell you. We don't care. We're at an island somewhere. We're gonna be here for a little bit, and then we're gonna go out there and be able to jump off. Apparently, there's raccoons here, but they're super friendly. That's what he said. What's up, buddy? Oh no, he's scared.
Well, yeah, we're black. You know, Fast Life Investment, y'all ever interested, tap in. Both jet skis, whatever the fuck y'all need to make it happen. I want a submarine, we gonna make it happen.
Yes, sir.
God bless y'all, boys.
You too, man. You too.
Tap in with that black entrepreneurship. Do it real quick. Come on.
Primal hours, baby.
Back in your what?
Primal hours. Hey, don't forget where you came from.
We're about to jump in. Actually, he already jumped in.
It's cold. It's salty.
I wonder why it's salty.
We're about to go snorkeling right now. There's a sunken ship down here, apparently, that we're gonna go look at. So.
My bitches. I would get my bitches.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
I told you.